Welcome back to Riffs, and today we're going to learn the coolest riff in the world. It is the main part of classical gas, so you're going to do an A minor chord, and you're going to be skipping the D string the entire time. And you're going to have your pointer finger off the chord. You're going to pluck all three at the same time. And then you're going to throw your hammer on and pull off with your pointer finger. It's pretty hard to do, but you just got to get used to that because it happens almost every time. All right, then you put your pointer finger back on, and you just go B, G, A. And now you hit the B string, the A string, and then you hit the B string again, but you take your pointer finger off. So again, this is what you got so far. The next part's pretty easy. It's just the walk down thingy. So you got right here, except instead of using the B and the G, you're going to be doing the D string and the G string this time. So it goes, and then down, and then open, and then you just hit the D string. So again, that's, and then you pluck the B string and the E string at the same time, and then you go like this on the G string, and then you actually hit the E string before you hit the B string again. And then you hit the E string again, and then you hit the G string. So it goes. And then you do the A, but just the top three notes of it. All right, so the whole thing sounds like this.